Hi, welcome back to Kids Stories and More. My name's Ken. We're going to be making a fun treat today.
Oh, okay. So what are our ingredients? Can you show the camera?
Gratified gluten-free party mix sea salt pretzels.
All right. So you need your pretzels. We use gluten-free because Kevin's gluten-free. But you could use any waffle type pretzel.
We got Rolos.
Ooh.
They see me Rolo.
What else?
We got milk chocolate M&Ms.
Okay. Any M&M will do.
I guess.
And?
We've got Hershey Kisses milk chocolate.
So you could do the Rolos or the milk or the Kisses, but we're going to do half of each.
Okay.
All right. So first, we're going to line our parchment paper pan, our pan with parchment paper. Then we're going to put a layer of the pretzels on the pan.
All right.
Let's do that first.
Let's open this.
Spread them just a little bit apart. They shouldn't be touching.
That is a lot of salt.
Pardon our messy counter. It's been a long week.
Seriously.
We've been doing challenges and cooking and playing games and just spending a lot of family time. All right. So we're unwrapping the chocolates, and then those will be going on top of the pretzels. While we're unwrapping, we're preheating our oven to 250 degrees. Now that we've unwrapped, we're gonna just place a piece of chocolate on each and every pretzel. Very easy.
There go the doggos.
Always, the dogs are always barking when we film. We don't know why. Looks like we're almost ready. Once all your chocolates are on, you're gonna put this in the oven for just a few minutes, maybe 3 or 4. Just keep an eye on them, and once they start to melt, not a puddle, but just start to melt a little, then you'll take them out, and we're ready for the next step. See you in a few. Okay, into the oven they go. We have a chocolate piece on each pretzel. Here, let me get that for you. Back up. All right. Remember, just a few minutes. Keep an eye on it. Have your oven light on, and always use gloves. All right. It's been about 4.5
5
minutes. Let's take it out and see how we're doing. They're definitely glossy. The rollers are starting to sink in a bit. So let's get it right up here. Okay. Right up here. All right, let's get the M&Ms
Ooh,
quick.
I can feel the heat.
Bring it over.
I can feel the heat.
Oh. All right. All right, so we're gonna do this real quickly. So basically, I'm gonna just drop it in the middle and just give it a little tap. That way, I don't have to touch the chocolate with my fingers, but it'll stick on kind of like glue. Okay. Real easy.
Of course, you want to have an adult supervising you.
All right, friends, I'm gonna show you the final product. Turning this around. Don't those look yummy? They're cooled and ready to eat. Enjoy. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Kids Stories and More. We'll see you soon for some more activities, read alouds, and fun challenges. Bye-bye.